So today I'm going to be making a 1920s Gatsby headband. All you will need is a piece of elastic. This measures 22 folded double with your seam allowance, so 44. So I've sewn that together to create the headband. A little bit of felt or scrap fabric to stick your feathers on, some feathers you'll need, and I'm going to use my ribbon rosette that I've just made in a different video. If you'd like to see how I made that, then please check out the video. I'm just using some fabric glue. Right, so we're going to put some glue onto the felt patch. And stick the feathers onto that. I have made some other Gatsby headbands as well, if you'd like to see those. Some diamante ones. But I thought I wanted to try an all black one to go with my black dress with rose gold sequins. So sorry, I'm just gluing that on. Put a bit more glue on here. And then you can either stitch your rose on or glue it on. I think I'm going to stitch it. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.